morning, good evening. So, this is our lecture number 9. In this lecture, we are not going to study any more new topic. We will study from further lectures. But in this lecture, we will just recapitulate what we have learned previously in all the 8 lectures. In this lecture, I have brought some questions, list of 20 questions. You can see them and recall them. I will give you 5 seconds or 10 seconds for per question so that you can attempt them and answer the questions in the comment box. So let's begin with the questions. So in this set of questions we have 20 questions and each with answer. So we have first question number 1. What data type represent true false values in Python? So this type of value is what? So this is, I think, boolean. Yeah, it's boolean. So as you studied in the lecture number 1, first lecture, you can also go through the lectures. No. Yeah, you can also go through the lectures. Like, let me show you our YouTube channel. So you can also go to our lectures like ARBP. Just a second. So as you can see here, we have you can also subscribe our channel. So as you can see here, I have uploaded lectures, lecture number 1, 2, 3, from 1 to 3, 4 to 8 till 8. You can watch all the lectures. Like you can watch this. I have explained every topic in detail, so you can just watch so that you are able to understand and answer the question. I prefer you just watch the lectures first and then try to answer or then try to watch this video so that you can understand more. So now we have third question. What is the result of 3 plus 5 plus 2 in Python? So what is the result of 3? So it will be it what you can you guess the answer? It will be 13 only. Because firstly it will multiply 5 into 2 and then it will plus 3 in that, like you have studied in board mass or dmass. In the classes you have studied like board mass and dmass. We use this method only in this also. Now we have fourth question here. Which type is created by init 3.14? So this is simple. It is float type because it is no, it is integer. What is the result of len? I'm giving you 5 seconds. Let me start the timer. So I'm giving you 5 seconds only. You can answer this question. Now the answer of this is A. Okay. Now we have sixth question. I'm giving you again 5 seconds for this. Which of the following is mutable Python data type? So, which is mutable, which cannot be changed? It's list. No, which is mutable? So, it is list because it can be changed. Rest are immutable. Next, we have this question. I'm giving again 5 seconds, or let me give you 30 seconds or 20 seconds. I'm giving 20 seconds. You can just see and read the question. How do you convert the string 1 2 3 to an integer? Oh, it's very simple. You can answer it. You can see this video in our lecture number 3. No, lecture number 2 I have told about the string. So it is B. Oh, we need to convert it integer. So it is A. If you need to convert it into string, it is B. And as it is integer string only, so we need to convert it into integer. Now we have another question. Which operator checks equality in Python? You can also answer this easy question. It's the answer will be, I will tell you. So as you can see, the answer is B. Now this is, what does the operator do when applied to two strings in Python? Concat. This is easy, so I don't need to give. Next, we will do rapid fire round. So now we will concatenation. So it easy. You can just read the question and take the answer so that you can. It will be easier. So this is, which function converts a boolean to an integer in Python? So init converts it. What is the result of 4 percent 3? It's B1. Which keyword is used to define a function in Python? A def function is used. We will read this next in classes. I have not taught this, so I am just giving this. This is also left. Which of the following is list literal? It is A. Now we have, how could you access the first element of A? It's easy because I told you in the previous lecture only 8 that this is value 0, 1 and 2. So B is the answer. What will be the type 7 divided by 2 in Python 3? This will be, you tell what will be, it will be float only because it comes in the point answer. Which operator has a higher precedence, multiplication or addition? It's multiplication. Which of the following describes string 1 2 3 in Python? Converts to string. Which of the following is a boolean value in Python? Mm, C is the boolean value because this one false. It is string. Which method adds an element to the end of a list? This you can just see. It's A. Simple. I have taught you in this next class. It will be true. No, for 0 is false and 1 is true. So this is all for today. Thank you. Thanks for watching our channel. Uh, this is a short video just for question answers. I will make a long video with complete chapter question answers. So stay tuned with us. We will just come next week with a very exciting video. So thank you and thanks for watching.
Please subscribe my channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.